Well, let me take you through my 5 to 7 minute makeup regime. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to the channel, then do not forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. So basically, what our motive for today's video is, when you have to go somewhere and you have just 5 to 7 minutes, I've created this look in 5 to 7 minutes with minimum product, and this is the look for the day. My basic skin prep is done. I'm just adding a little bit of bio oil, it's a dry gel, on my dry zones, so that जो dry area है वहाँ से makeup केकी ना लगे. अब because we have no time, बहुत quickly हमें करना है सब कुछ, and हमें बहुत ही natural looking makeup चाहिए. So let's begin. The first step is we'll use a primer. You can use whichever primer you want. This one is from Lakme Absolute range. So basically the purpose of the primer is it will give you a very smooth base. So अभी हमें जो look चाहिए, it has to be a very smooth look, a very natural looking look. So अभी जब मैं वीडियो में कर रही हूँ, it might take time because I'm explaining, but otherwise it's the most quick way to look presentable and go anywhere. So जो भी आपको areas आपके लगते हैं pores वाले हैं, just apply it there. So because it's a very quick look, I would not waste time concealing my pigmentations and dark circle. अगर आपके बहुत ज़्यादा spots हैं, correction की ज़रूरत है ना, आपको time है, you're more than welcome to do that. आप करिए, but अभी I don't think I really need it. So a very interesting thing I've recently started doing is take any lipstick blusher के लिए. So I'll just, this is after my primer and yeah. So हम जो भी CC cream लगाएं या हम फाउंडेशन लगाएं, ये सब उसके अंदर होगा. So I'm looking exactly like a clown right now, but that's okay. So I'll take some of this highlighter from My Glam, just on my high points. So basically इस step से एक तो आपका time बचेगा बाद में. It's a very quick and easy way, and you'll get that natural sheen and glow. मतलब देखने वाला बता नहीं पाएगा कि इतना ग्लो कहाँ से रहा है, क्योंकि मेकअप तो दिखेगा नहीं. If you want, you can even contour. So it's a cream contour. Mildly, I'll just contour my nose and my super fat face. So ये बहुत roughly and quickly हमने कर लिया है. Okay, this palette is from Nykaa. अभी तक कोई मैंने ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर या कुछ यूज नहीं करा है. I'm just using my fingers. Honestly, fingers are the best blenders because it also help you to melt the product. So we'll make a quick mixture. I'll teach you this amazing mixture. So I'm not taking much product because I want जो भी मैं फाउंडेशन या CC क्रीम लगा रही हूँ उसकी लेयर मुझे बहुत माइल्ड चाहिए. उसका रीज़न है, एक रीज़न ये है कि ये जो मैंने फर्स्ट लेयर ऑफ लिपस्टिक मैंने जो लगाई है उसका इफेक्ट दिखने के लिए दिस हैज़ टू बी मीडियम कवरेज. ओके, सो हमने यहाँ ये प्रोडक्ट ले रखा था. आई टेक दिस, टेक एनी मॉइस्चराइजर. सो आई एम टेकिंग दिस वन फ्रॉम अर्दी. इनफैक्ट जो मैंने CC क्रीम ली है उसकी क्वांटिटी से ज़्यादा मैंने इसमें नॉर्मल क्रीम ली है. सो नाउ आई एम गोना यूज़ दिस My Glam Sun Kissed Spotlight Illuminating Liquid. ये मैं बहुत कम लगाऊंगी बिकॉज बेसिकली अ ब्रॉन्जर एंड मेरे स्किन शेड के लिए इज गोइंग टू बी अ बिट डार्क, बट जस्ट फॉर दैट नेचुरल ग्लो एंड शीन आई एम गोना टेक दिस, just take a drop and now just mix it with one finger. So ये एक पेस्ट हम बना लेंगे. So you can use a beauty blender for this. Generally you're supposed to cover your neck as well, but since my neck is not visible, I'm not gonna apply it there. So you can use a beauty blender. I'm using my finger. So apply this mixture all over. अच्छा रिमेंबर कि ये ड्रैग मत करना. वी डोंट वांट द बेस टू मूव. जो हमने लिपस्टिक लगाई है यहाँ एज अ ब्लशर, वी डोंट वांट दैट टू मूव. जस्ट डैग. Can you see where that lipstick has gone? It is all natural. So basically अभी जो भी हमारा base है, see it's all skin right now. So अभी जो भी ये base है, it's basically cream based. So as we know the rule, कोई भी आप cream based चीज़ लगाते हैं तो it's very important कि you set it with a powder for a long lasting thing. So we'll just apply little bit of powdered product so that हमारा base move नहीं करे. Okay, so this is going to take you like less than a minute just to set everything. So ये वाला blush is from Flower and it's a peach shade. So basically the inside blush was in pink and this one is more of a peachy shade. I like to mix a lot of things, and now I'll just set the mild contour with the powder. So can you see this is not taking me any time. And now when everything is done, I'll take a powder, that's Huda Beauty powder in the shade Banana Bread. So I'll just quickly take it and powder my under eyes. So you can take a dry sponge for it, you can use a brush. Mostly I'll set my under eyes using the beauty blender क्योंकि वहाँ हमें थोड़ा प्रिसिजन की ज़रूरत है एंड वी डोंट वांट द अंडर आई टू लुक क्रीज्ड एंड केकी. थोड़ा लिड में भी करेंगे. बहुत ज़्यादा पाउडर हम पूरे फेस पे नहीं लगाएंगे बिकॉज यू रिमेंबर हमने एक सटल शीन अपने फेस को दिया है. सो वी डोंट वांट टू हाइड दैट. I'm even going on my brows because अभी brows करना बचता है. So in case there is any oil or cream there, it's gonna go off. Then my mouth area. हमने separately कोई contour बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगाया है. So this will also give a shape. Okay, so now quickly do those brows and I'll be taking this Brow Artist Expert from L'Oreal. Because it's a very quick look, I'm not gonna go very over dramatic with anything. So brows भी हम कुछ ज़्यादा melodramatic नहीं करेंगे. Just cover up the flaws. So स्पार्स्ड एरिया आपको दिख रहा है? I'm just mostly trying to cover that. See, you can see that emptiness here. Looks pretty fine. And now just brush them up. Now just brush off the excess powder. अब अगर आप बहुत पास से भी देखेंगे तो आपको कुछ केकी नहीं लगेगा. It's going to look very natural and it's very quick. बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट आईज में नहीं करेंगे. So I'm just taking this blusher. It's also going to give you a bit monochrome look. So just on the crease. You must know कि आप कैसे अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को मल्टीपल यूजेस में ला सकते हैं. You must know the trick. And now quickly, मेरे को बिल्कुल टाइम वेस्ट आंखों पे नहीं करना है. I'm taking this Huda Beauty palette. कोई भी इसमें लाइट सा हम शेड ले लेंगे. So I'll take this one. Just one drop here, one pinch here, and smudge it. but इससे ऊपर नहीं कर रहे हम कुछ. The eyes are done. Like eyeshadow is done, and you can just take a brush and smoothen it out. तो आंखें हमारी हो गई हैं. And now just tight line those eyes. This is the Jet Set Kajal from My Glam. Don't get scared. So I'm just tight lining. Just be gentle while doing this step. So yeah, and I'll put a little kajal in the edge just to define the eye. And that's it. I'll use a little brown kohl. See, जितने भी हम steps कर रहे हैं सब mandatory नहीं है. अब now like I don't have time कि मैं इतना highlighter निकाल के highlight करूँ and all of it. So I just use this nude kajal pencil to brighten up my under eye. Sorry, brow bone. To brighten up my brow bone. So जितना जितना टाइम हो, अगर मेरे पे टाइम नहीं है तो मैं काजल नहीं लगाऊंगी. I'll just put a mascara and put a lipstick and leave. Basically your skin has to look good. Now let's put some mascara. So this one is by Maybelline. And just be very careful. If you want to learn how to put a mascara, I'll take a separate video for that. And just like you brush your teeth, we'll brush the lower lashes. Do you guys also make funny faces while putting your mascara? Now I'm interested in doing just two more steps. That's a lipstick. So this one is by My Glam. This one is in the shade Passion from their moisturizing matte lip crayon. If you have time, you can use a lip liner before this. And the last step I'll do is, the best thing for a very natural look is a strobing cream or a liquid highlighter. So this one is Girl Meets Pearl from Benefit. Yee. Oh my god, my finger is stuck because it's really cold. Just zoom it for you. So just on the high points of my face. So this one is really nice. इसका अगर आपको alternate चाहिए तो the strobing cream from MAC is also good. सस्ता variant चाहिए तो the one Master Strobe cream from Maybelline is also really nice. And we are good to go.